Pulse Reflex Stepped Sine Analysis application has a lot of key features that will reduce the time for you to do your measurements. Track sampling really speeds up the measurement time, especially if you are going for a fine resolution in your spectral data results. For example, 5 MHz is no problem anymore. When you're doing measurements, you can have set individual abort and alarm levels for each channel. If one of the abort levels are reached, it will trigger an abort of the measurement and stop the generators. The Stepped Sine software can be used with one or multiple shakers, and you are able to set force targets or voltage targets on the run, so you can control individual generators while you're measuring, either after a target or just by voltage to the shakers. If you're going with force target control, the software will automatically adjust while measuring the generators, so the voltage will fit, so you get the right force levels throughout your spectra. If you suddenly want to measure something in more detail, you can just stop the measurement by dwelling the sine stepping process instead of making a whole new measurement. It's also possible for you to set in a specific frequency and the generators will jump to that frequency. When you're doing multiple shaker measurements, Stepped Sine has to go through the frequencies you want to analyze multiple times. So you're going with multiple sweeps with different phase patterns. You can go in the phase matrix and type in the degrees, the different degrees for the different shakers you want in each individual sweep you're doing. If you're using the geometry editor and the DOF setup tool, Reflex Stepped Sine will also use that in its analysis. So you can see the structure while you're doing measurements, and it will also be able for you to do rowing measurements.